Hello traders, so welcome back to another video, and this time it's USDJPY. And yeah, starting from a weekly, we can see it's nice downtrend, first touch, second touch, third touch, and it breaks the trend line. And as usual, this is the trap zone, and I am looking for the price to move upwards right now. Broke it, pull back. Looks like it's going to continue. And anyways, let's look at daily time frame to understand this better. What do I see? So as we all know, the steeper the trend line, in a way, the weaker it is. Like a trend line that is not so steep is more, I would say, valid than a trend line that is steep. But anyway, as we look at this, touch 1, touch 2, and touch 3. Right now, oops, I don't know how this. Okay, so basically, even on a daily, when we look at the candlestick, right, it bounced off strongly. You can see over here, it engulfed the body for this. The body of this candlestick engulfed the body for this entirely. So that is a very bullish sign. That is good. And when we dropped onto a 4-hour, we can see that there was some indecision here, and then rejection, and move upwards, and most importantly, it closed above this level. Although it has still rejected here, this zone, it has been rejected, but most importantly, it closed above the zone. And alright, so definitely looking for buys on a bigger time frame, and I love to see this. Look, price closed here and price closed higher. So, and if we just look at it like that, it is also going up. All right, so definitely bullish signs, for price to go up. And all right, let's drop to an hourly. Okay, higher. All right, and then I am looking for a zone to buy. All right, so I'm looking for what would be a good retracement. So ideally, all right, this week low. However, this was already a zone that's been tested and broken. So I would think that it's unlikely that the price would come down here. Okay, so I would be looking at the next zone, which weeks. So ideally, for the price to retrace this zone, the middle of it maybe, and definitely I want to cover the zone before that. It's not much, just a 23 pips as well. Drop down to a higher time frame and put my TP1 as the weekly high. Okay, in fact, I would even drop it down to the middle of these two, because not to be greedy, but a 3 RR is already good enough for me. And yeah, I would put my TP1 as this. Okay, but I do see a lot of potential for price to go further than this. Like, look at this. This is where my TP1 is, and I can totally see TP2 being here. Oh, let me get rid of this. Over here, right at the top. Oops. Right at the top here, TP2. See, wicks. And of course, TP3 to be this zone. So TP1 here would be TP2. Alright, which would give us a really good RR, honestly. 5 pip, 5, I'm sorry, pips. RR of 5, and if it's this zone, an RR of 10. But let's not expect so much movement. Honestly, TP1 and TP2 would even be great. So, of course, either chill your stop losses or take 2 trades and make the other one at break even once TP1 is hit, or maybe once this zone is broken, so which is around close to 50 pips. I usually try to make my trade break even after it has closed past the next zone, so maybe in this case this high, like right here, or around 50 pips, whichever seems more feasible to me. But yeah, definitely protect your capital, protect your trades, protect your margin, so that you can take more trades. And yeah, TP1, TP2, bullish on this for sure. And in the event, like I said, if price goes down, which is possible, then that will be the break retest that I'll be looking forward to. And yeah, I will have to consider this because ultimately it is in this trap zone and the downtrend is still active. So if it goes down, it can go down all the way. And yeah, I'll update you if I am taking bearish trades on USDJPY. But for now, these are the trades. Alright, and thank you for watching. Have a good week, traders.